Hi, this is David with David's Tutorials, and I am in New Mexico right now, and we're traveling. And I just had a thought that I wanted to share with everybody. Have you ever noticed how when you're out in between towns, when you're out in the country, the farther you are away from the town, the higher the gas prices get and the lower the hotel costs get? Well, I've been wondering about that, and I finally figured it out. Now, if you're wondering about what's wrong with my nose, I'll tell you about that here in just a second. But what I figured out was gas stations and hotels compete for different customers. The gas stations are competing mostly for customers in town, local people. People want to go to a gas station, they want to go to one nearby. They don't want to go out in the country. So the gas stations are competing for the customers in town. Hotels, on the other hand, are not competing for customers in town. They're competing for traveling customers. Consequently, the traveling customers, they want to get in the city, and therefore the prices are higher in the city. So that was just an observation. If you think there's a different reason for this, I'd love to hear your comments. So let me know what you think in the comment section down below. And meantime, anybody wants to know what happened with my nose here, we were staying a couple of nights ago with a friend. We had our car in their garage. Well, we woke up early in the morning. This friend didn't wake up quite that early. And I was afraid that this friend had been up late all night. I didn't want to wake up this friend, and so we went ahead and we left quietly, and our car was in the garage, and we were able to open the garage from the inside. But if you've ever had a garage door and tried to close it, you know modern garages have a infrared or laser beam going across the front of the garage about 4 or 5 inches over the ground, so that if a child or a pet is going through the garage door as it's closing, it will automatically reverse. Well, if you want to close your garage door from the inside and then run outside, you've got to jump over that beam. And what happened was I jumped over the beam and I lost my balance, and I went down and I did a face plant right on the concrete, and that was not fun. But fortunately, I was blessed enough that it did not injure me. I didn't break anything. I just got a little bruise here, got a little bruise here, got a little scrape on my hand. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed seeing some of this New Mexico countryside as I'm speaking with you. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure you give us a great big old thumbs up so that I know you enjoyed the video, and also so the YouTube robots know that you thought it was a useful video. And leave us a comment in the section down below and share it with anybody that you think might enjoy it as well. And stay tuned for more tutorials from David's Tutorials.